Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to make girl short. I drafted the free patterns for 2260 and I posted in my page. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. So like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and let's get started. I use the basic pattern from ebook drafting pattern from men's and children's wear. Firstly, I draw the waistband of the front pattern with a width of 5 cm. Then cut the pattern piece unless the waistline. Then I double this waistband. And cut out the front pattern. Repeat for the back pattern. I use cotton fabric for this project. At 0.7 cm, seam allowance at all edges. Remember to cut 2 pieces for each front and back pattern. Cut 4 pocket pieces and cut a waist strap piece. Next, right sides together, 2 front pieces. I sew the crotch seam. Then zigzag and press the raw edge. Repeat for the back. I sew the crotch seam. Apply the front and the back. I marked the points to make the pockets. With right side together, I pin and sew the front and the pocket pieces. Then top stitch. Repeat for the back. Next, right side together, the front and the back. I sew the out seams and inseams. Using my zigzag, I sew all the raw edges. Next, I marked and fold the waistband inside 5.7 centimeters. Cut the elastic equal to 2/3 of the waistband. Then pin and sew the elastic and waistband together at 0.7 cm seam allowance. Next, I make the belt loops, right side together, then sewing. Then turn right side out and press. Then top stitch. Cut 6 centimeters for each pieces. Then sew them with the waistband. Next, fold the fabric inside 0.7 centimeters. I sew the hems. Lastly, I make the waist strap. Right side together, then sewing. right side out and stitch. We are done. I hope you guys enjoy watching. See you next video. Bye.